Welcome students. In this video, we are going to learn about interdependence in nature. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe how animals and plants depend on each other and on non-living things for their existence. Explain how food passes from one living thing to another in a food chain. Describe the importance of decomposers. You know that there are many living and non-living things around you. Plants and animals are living things. Air, water, soil, and sunlight are non-living things. All living things depend on both living and non-living things in many ways to survive. Animals need oxygen from the air to breathe and water to drink. Plants need carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to prepare food. Animals depend on plants for food and shelter. Many plants depend on animals for flower pollination and dispersal of their seeds. That is why we say that there is interdependence in nature. Living things depend on non-living things. The first non-living thing is air. Plants and animals need oxygen. They use oxygen to get energy from food during the process of respiration. That is why we cannot stay alive for long without air. During respiration, plants and animals breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide taken from the atmosphere to make their food during the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. This oxygen is again used by plants and animals for respiration. Thus, both plants and animals require air to live. The next component is water. Water is essential to all plants and animals for carrying out their life process. Plants absorb minerals dissolved in water through their roots. Plants use water to prepare food during photosynthesis. Water also helps in the dispersal of seeds of plants growing in or near water. Several life processes in the bodies of animals require water. For example, water is required to carry food to all parts of the body. Water is also essential for collecting waste from all over the body and removing it from the body in the form of urine. The next essential component is soil. Plants cannot grow if there is no soil. Soil provides plants with support. Plants get water and minerals from the soil to make food. Soil provides shelter to animals such as ants, centipedes, and earthworms. Rabbits, rats, moles, and many other animals live in burrows in soil. Since all animals depend on plants for food, they directly or indirectly depend on soil for food. When animals and plants die, their bodies decay and mix with soil. This adds humus to soil, which makes it fertile for plant growth. The next important component is sunlight. Plants use energy trapped from sunlight to make food during photosynthesis. Sunlight provides warmth for seeds to germinate. Animals also need the warmth of sunlight for survival. Plants and animals depend on each other. Plants and animals are different from each other, but they also need each other. Neither plants nor animals can survive without the other. Animals depend on plants for food. All animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Herbivores such as cows, goats, or giraffes eat plants and thus depend directly on plants for food. Carnivores such as tigers, lions, and wolves eat other animals and so depend directly on plants for food. Animals depend on plants for shelter. A number of animals, such as birds, squirrels, monkeys, and insects, find shelter on trees. Birds build nests on trees, while squirrel, monkeys, and insects live on tree branches. Animals depend on plants for oxygen. Plants make food in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. They give out oxygen during this process. Animals take in this oxygen during respiration. Plants also take in a small amount of oxygen during respiration. Plants use carbon dioxide produced by animals. During respiration, animals take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is used by plants during photosynthesis. Plants depend on animals for reproduction. Animals such as butterflies and honeybees help plants to reproduce by pollinating flowers. Many varieties of plants grow over a large area because birds and animals eat their fleshy fruits and scatter their seeds. Living things make the soil fertile. Animals that live in the soil help to loosen it. Air required by roots of plants can then enter the loosened soil. Thus, animals like earthworm make the soil fertile. Bacteria and fungi help to decay waste and the dead living things. This causes the nutrients in their bodies to mix with soil, making it fertile. Food relationship. The interdependence between plants and animals can be clearly seen by observing how food passes from one living thing to another. A series of living things showing which one eats which is called a food chain. Food chain always starts with plants, which are producers of food. They are eaten by herbivores, which are primary consumers. The carnivores indirectly utilize the food made by plants when they eat the herbivores. They are secondary consumers. Eventually, all plants and animals die. Bacteria and fungi feed on the dead bodies. They break down the dead body into simple substances which can again be used by plants. Bacteria and fungi are known as decomposers. So, this was about interdependence in nature. I hope you will understand it and learn it. Thank you and happy learning.